Guys, my magic wok is working again. I'm making beef spare rib soup. Stewed beef spare ribs. In Tagalog, nilagang spare ribs. Yeah, para may sabaw. I'm in the middle of making it soft. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's our dinner for tonight. Nilaga in the making. Babush. Kumukulo na po ang aking nilaga. Potatoes in. Next is beans. And some not bok choy. Choy sam. Vegetable. Oh, very nice. Daddy will have very yummy. Okay, let's see if my patatas is soft. Okay, soft. Now I will put my veggie. See? That's my beans. Nilaga, maraming vegetable. Kailangan maraming vegetable ang nilaga. So, more kulo. See, this vegetable, this is my favorite. A choice. Ayoko nung yung pechay bagyo kasi after one day, nagkakaroon parang pag hindi ko gusto yung lasa niya pag naluluma. Yung choice ito, pag one day old, yung vegetable na to, still very yummy. And doesn't smell. But this one is more healthier than the pechay bagyo. So more kulo, and then after, I'll get back to you again, guys. Thank you for watching. Mas yum na sabaw. Thank you, guys. Oh, diba? Konting kulo pa. And it's all done. Ready to eat. Bye. Okay, guys. Final choice the vegetable. See? And then, hayaan lang natin siyang hayaan natin siyang lumubog. The more vegetable, the better it is. I love it. Wala nang hiwa-hiwa sa gitna kasi pag naluto yan, liliit yan. So now, we just cover it up. And then, let's wait for the 5 minutes. Open it first pa. Open it first. Give me the sandok, please. Yung aking assistant take the lid out. Yeah. See? Tataka siguro kayo dahil vegetable I need a lot of vegetable. I love vegetable. I'd rather have plenty of vegetable than meat in my soup. This is more healthier, especially with this vegetable. It's called choy sam. Google it. Kapag meron sa Pilipinas, try nyo guys. Ang sarap nitong gulay na to. Kahit saan pwede. Panggisa, pangsala, corned beef. Better than pechay, better than pechay bagyo. O assistant ko, di makapagantay. Gutom na raw siya. Na extra pa Happy?
Hungry now.
Hungry? Okay, close it up.
5 minutes.
Are you hungry?
Yes. I love this one.
He can't wait.
Nilagang spare ribs.
Paborito niya
Beef spare ribs.
Okay guys, thanks for watching again. Bye. Ayan na nga guys. See the vegetable that I put before? Diba sobrang dami nung punong-puno. Yan ngayon diba lumiit siya. So ngayon, it's ready to eat now. Titikman na ng aking...
Oh, yum. See the spare ribs. Beautiful.
Okay, taste it na ba so we can switch it off because mag-overcook yung gulay. Oh my God. No. Oh. Yummy?
It's too hot. Yum, yum, yum. One more. Yummy, yummy.
He's been waiting for this.
It's nice soup. Oh my God. Oh,
What's your name? Forget your name?
I don't know.
Okay, switch it
Nice.
off.
Yummy, yummy.
Okay guys, so that's done. So thanks for watching, and that's our nilaga. Nilaga for today.
Nilagang baka.
Nilagang baka. Okay. So that's full of nutrient. Thanks for watching guys. Babush. Bye.
Gagawa.
You're on.
Oh yeah. I gotta taste this one. Ah, wait. Where's the service spoon?
So kain tayo guys.
That's it, guys. I'm really hungry now. We're gonna taste the
Can I have one?
spare ribs
And vegetable please.
and vegetable.
Nilaga. Yan. And one potato. And a beans.
That's complete, guys. Bagu beans,
Kain na tayo ka na. Okay na ba?
choy sam.
Enough na mahal. Thank you.
Ooh.
Kain po.
That's it, guys. We try this one. I love this one.
Yummy sabaw.
Guys, try the choy sam. Choy sam is very nice vegetable. See this one? Oh, yum. And we got separate soup. Oh, yummy. This one's spare ribs, but I take it off the bone already, the ribs.
Pampagaling.
When it's soft, meat already,
Yung Tagalog pa.
you just take it off the bone. So boneless now.
Kain po.
Kain po, kain. Parang bulalo na ito, parang bulalo. And we got this one. Patis saka lemon. So ang labas nito parang sinigang din.
Hindi ah.
Kasi may lemon eh.
Yung naman talaga kapartner na nilaga.
I know.
Ang kulang lang sili. I don't wanna sili.
Mahilig kasi kami sa mga maasim.
Inuubo ko yung ng sili.
Supposed to be we're gonna put some chili, but we bought coughing still. That's why if we put chili, maybe the coughing going back again. And here we go.
Kain, kain.
Number one, guys.
Okay guys, ituloy lang po namin ng pagkain.
Yeah, especially when you eat this one, this soup, if you feel sick, it's better soup.
Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Very nice, baby.
Utupusin lang po namin pagkain. Thank you po. Bye-bye.